In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card in Temu. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where everything is and what to expect. Start by opening Temu in your web browser or the mobile app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the home page, keep your eyes on the top right corner of the screen. That's where the profile area lives. Click your profile to open your account menu. From there, choose the option labeled Orders and Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where all your settings and purchases are organized. On this page, look to the left-hand side panel. This sidebar is your navigation hub. Find and select your payment methods. You'll land on a page that lists any cards you've saved before and gives you controls to add a new one. Click the button that says Add a credit or debit card to bring up the secure card entry form. Now it's time to enter your details. Type your card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Take a moment to double check for transposed or missing digits. Even a single typo will cause an error. Next, enter the expiration date. Use the format shown on your screen, typically month and year, and make sure it matches what's printed on the card. Then type the CVV or security code. This is the 3-digit number on the back of most cards, or 4 digits on the front for certain cards. For your security, only enter this on the official Temu page or app and avoid sharing it with anyone. Before you continue, it's a good idea to confirm everything is accurate. If you see additional fields, like name or billing address, make sure they match what your bank has on file, as mismatches can lead to declined saves or payments. If the add button looks inactive, scan for any fields outlined in red or missing information. When everything looks correct, click Add Your Card. Temu will process the details, and in a moment, you should see your card appear in your payment methods list. That's your confirmation that it's been saved successfully and is ready to use at checkout. If you run into an error, recheck the number, expiration date, and CVV, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Using a secure network is always recommended when entering payment information. And that's it! You've added a credit card in Temu and are all set for faster, smoother checkouts.